Staying strong in bed at any age is less about chasing quick fixes and more about understanding how your body creates energy, stamina, and confidence. As men grow older, natural shifts in hormones, circulation, stress levels, and overall vitality can influence performance. The good news is that the body is remarkably responsive to simple, consistent support. One of the most overlooked solutions is not a pill or a complicated regimen, but a simple natural energy drink that fuels endurance from the inside out. Sexual stamina is closely tied to blood flow, cardiovascular health, hormone balance, and mental focus. When energy dips, performance often follows. Many men rely on caffeine-heavy drinks or sugary stimulants, which create a temporary spike followed by a crash. That roller coaster effect can increase anxiety, elevate heart rate too quickly, and actually work against sustained performance. True staying power comes from steady energy production at the cellular level, supported by hydration, circulation, and nutrient density. A natural energy drink designed for endurance should begin with hydration as its foundation. Dehydration, even mild, can reduce blood volume and impair circulation. Starting with water or coconut water provides essential fluid balance and electrolytes that support nerve signaling and muscle contraction. Proper hydration alone can improve physical responsiveness and reduce fatigue during intimate moments. Next comes nitric oxide support. Nitric oxide helps relax blood vessels, improving circulation throughout the body, including to areas crucial for sexual performance. Ingredients such as beetroot juice, pomegranate juice, and a squeeze of fresh lemon can naturally support nitric oxide production. Beetroot is particularly known for enhancing endurance in athletes because it helps oxygen move more efficiently through the bloodstream. Better oxygen delivery translates to better stamina and sustained firmness. Healthy fats also play a role in hormonal balance. Adding a small amount of natural sources like blended almond milk or a teaspoon of raw honey can provide steady fuel without spiking blood sugar. Honey in moderate amounts offers quick yet smoother energy compared to refined sugar, and it has been traditionally valued for supporting vitality. The goal is not sweetness, but stability. Adaptogenic herbs can further strengthen resilience. Natural options, such as maca root powder or ashwagandha, have been used for centuries to support libido, reduce stress, and balance hormones. Stress is one of the biggest silent saboteurs of bedroom performance. Cortisol, the stress hormone, competes with testosterone and can dampen desire and stamina. By supporting the body's stress response, adaptogens help maintain calm confidence and endurance. A simple blend might include coconut water, a small portion of beetroot juice, a splash of pomegranate juice, half a teaspoon of maca powder, a teaspoon of raw honey, and a squeeze of lemon. Blended together and consumed about 30 to 60 minutes before intimacy or even as part of a daily routine, it can provide sustained energy without jitters. Over time, consistent use alongside healthy lifestyle habits can create noticeable improvements. However, no drink works in isolation. Sleep remains one of the most powerful natural performance enhancers. Testosterone production peaks during deep sleep. Chronic sleep deprivation lowers hormone levels, increases fatigue, and reduces motivation. Combining restorative sleep with nutrient-dense support creates a strong foundation. Strength training and light cardiovascular exercise further amplify results. Resistance training boosts testosterone and improves blood flow. Even brisk walking improves endothelial function, which is directly related to vascular health. When circulation improves, responsiveness often follows naturally. Mindset is equally important. Performance anxiety can interrupt arousal signals between the brain and body. Confidence grows when you know you are supporting your body rather than forcing it. The key is consistency rather than intensity. Natural ingredients work gradually, nourishing systems instead of overwhelming them. Within weeks of proper hydration, nutrient support, regular movement, and adequate rest, many men notice improved stamina, firmer performance, and faster recovery. Staying strong in bed at any age is about fueling the body intelligently. When circulation flows smoothly, hormones remain balanced, and the mind stays calm, endurance becomes a natural expression of health. A simple, thoughtfully crafted natural energy drink can be a powerful daily ritual that supports vitality, confidence, and lasting performance for years to come. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.